Welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today's lesson is about to cut a standing bishop collar or Chinese neck. So first of all, you fold your stay into two. The neck we are working on is 18.5. This is very easy and very simple. So 18.5, you divide your 18.5 into two. Here, note I am working with inches. Here mine gave me 9.25 inches. And I marked it as you can see. After that, I will divide the 9.25 inches into two again, or that's very optional. You can decide to stop and mark it. I want the wideness of my collar stand or my Chinese collar to be 1¼ inches. You can adjust it, it is optional. Some you choose 1 inch, sometimes I use 1 inches. So over here I choose 1.25 inches and mark out my straight line. This is very easy Chinese neck, how to sew, how to draft it. And after marking these lines out, I'll just cut it. And before that, I will come inside by 1/2 inch for a curve. You see, it always has a curve. And come down by also 1/2 inch and just use my free hand to just draw my curve with no marking tools, with no French curves. After that, you just cut it out like this, nicely and easily. After cutting it out, you just hold the two edges together and just give it a clean curve cut, just like this. Very easy.